Who wants the rest of this milk?
I'm Bob.
And I'm Sarah.
I work in the IT field, and I work out of my house.
I'm a labor and delivery nurse. I do it once a month, usually for a weekend.
And currently we live in Rogers, Minnesota.
We live here with our 6 children.
I love that she's a great mom to the kids. I mean, she spends a lot of time with them. She's really organized, and if she wasn't around to be organized, we would really be in a lot of chaos. So I admire that.
4 hours.
And it was one of their kids, 14-year-old gymnast Abby, that prompted their recent move from Nebraska to the Minneapolis suburbs.
Hips, 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 stretch, good job. More elbows, 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 and up. Hang on to it, hang on to it.
Gymnastics plays a big role in our family's life, and it plays a big role in Abby's life. So we decided that we would move because we found a great gymnastics program.
It's something that she would like to do when she's in college. She'd ultimately someday like to coach.
In addition to Abby, the rest of this active family has found the Minneapolis area to be the perfect fit as well.
I think we should pedal out to the birds.
In Hennepin County, which contains Minneapolis, they have 53 square miles of lakes and rivers to choose from, and over 80 ice rinks.
Here we go. Skate away.
Our budget for a new home is $450. We really would like to stay less than that, no higher. We would like to find a house with 6 bedrooms. We would love to have 4 bathrooms, maybe more. We also would like a large open family space.
The style of home that I'm looking for is one that is more rustic, lodge-like. I like wood, whether it be the floors or outside or a deck.
I would like something that's more arts and crafts or has a lot of unique features, kind of quaint.
And she wants 2 stories, so the kids' bedrooms are away from the living space.
I prefer to live further away from the gym so we can get a larger piece of land, more rural, fewer neighbors. Love to live on more than an acre of land, maybe 2, 3, 4.
I would like to live closer to the gym. I mean, Abby goes to gym every day, so it's a trip to gym and back. And then if you do anything else, I don't want all my family time spent in the car. I would rather be communing with people in the house.
First up is a ranch house in the town of Becker.
Now this view is what I'm talking about.
It's nice, but there's nothing around. There's no houses, there's no community, and it's really far away.
I know that we have to take Abby into town twice a day. And that drive time is something Sarah's not very willing to give on. But we've got to compromise somewhere, and I would like to have a lot of land.
Hi, guys.
Hey.
Bill.
Come on in.
How are ya?
Yeah, super. Well, this house is priced at $409, and it's got 6 acres of land.
We love the lot.
Yeah,
Just
but
drive it
how
up.
many bedrooms?
It's got 5 bedrooms,
Okay.
but then it's also got an area that can be finished downstairs. Nice big open family room here.
I'm not a big fan of carpet wood, you know? Carpet, wood, living room, hallway. Yeah.
And a nice big open kitchen.
Yeah, I like this.
I do like that the kids could sit up here while they're having breakfast
You
in the
mean
morning.
and lean over and put their hands on the hot stove?
So this eating area here is bizarre.
So who would eat here and who would eat there?
Well, this is where the grandparents and the family would eat, and this is where the kids would eat. And the naughtiest kids would eat farthest away
Yeah,
from
maybe
the
we should
herd.
put some doors in too.
Yeah.
This is a big room.
Nice sized master suite.
The ceilings, I like that cathedral ceiling up.
And then the master bath is a lot of room in there.
It is a little open.
Yeah, it is open.
After the master suite, they head downstairs to the basement.
Well, guys, you remember I said this was partially finished.
That's a really big space.
So what does it normally cost to finish?
Yeah, this is about 1,200 square feet. It's going to cost less than $40,000 to finish this.
This could be a game area, TV area, couch area.
They see 2 more finished bedrooms and an unfinished space before heading outside.
This is great. I wasn't expecting this much open area.
Yeah, I think this is probably my favorite part of
This
the
here?
house, the outdoor space.
This backyard has sold me. And from the back of the house, check out all the windows. Every window is going to have a great view into the lot.
I just am still concerned about the drive to gymnastics. Put Abby in the car that long on top of her busy schedule and taking kids with us when we go pick her up. It's a lot.
So now their agent's showing them a home just 15 minutes from the gym in the Minneapolis suburb of Rogers.
This is nice. I like that wood.
Hi,
Hey,
Bob.
Bill.
Sarah.
Hi, Bill.
Good to see you
Good
guys.
to see you too.
Hey, Bill. Good to see you.
Hi. Yeah, what did you think of the neighborhood?
I like the neighborhood. Yeah, it's nice. So how much is 6 bedrooms going to cost us?
Gonna cost you $500,000.
That's the top of the budget.
That's way off the top of the budget.
I love that there's 6 bedrooms, but the price is more than I'm comfortable spending.
I tried to get most of everything that you were looking for in a house, and I know close to the gym's important.
And it's new, I assume?
Yep, it's new construction.
Love this door. This door
Yeah,
is
this
amazing.
is neat.
Let's come on in here.
I like this space for an office.
Wow.
The fireplace, you can see it's got a real nice mantle on the top.
The mantle is awesome because
Yeah,
it
the mantle's
matches
cool.
the sliding door over there.
This was a great space for the whole family. We could all manage to fit here.
You can see it flows really nice into the kitchen, the dinette area there.
The island is nice. There is one thing, though. There's no deck. And you have to think about the expense there.
This flows very nice into the, what do you call it,
Wow.
mudroom / pantry.
Yeah, this is great.
There's a half bath just off the kitchen.
Wow. This is a pretty big space.
This could be the kid level,
Yeah.
and the kitchen family room area could be the adult level.
Keep it a little cleaner and grown up.
A nice concrete
Yeah.
patio here.
It's quiet.
It's very quiet, very peaceful.
It would be great if the woods was closer on the lot. So this home really isn't secluded. I was kind of hoping to find a little bit more wooded area on the land, especially for this ballpark of price.
Back inside, they head to the second floor. After seeing 3 more guest bedrooms and another bath, it's on to the master.
Wow.
Love the view.
Yeah.
Love the view.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
I love the woodwork. I especially love all those doors that they have. Raised panels, that those are called.
You get a walk-in shower.
2 shower heads, perfect.
Now, I do love that there are 6 bedrooms. That's great. And the location is key. The gym's only about 15 minutes away from here.
Yeah.
But I'm really concerned about the price because we did not want to get close to that number.
And with no deck out in the back, that's an additional cost we're gonna have to come up with. I would have liked to have seen the main level have the master. I know that's something we had talked about.
That's a perk. We probably should see some other houses. Yeah, this looks like a great neighborhood.
The houses are really nice, a little close together.
Now they're in the suburb of Elk River, 20 minutes from the gym, to see another option.
I like the style of the house.
It's not really that lodge feel, though.
What Bob's looking for is that nice wooded backyard. It's got that. Sarah's looking for that neighborhood. This has got a very nice one. This house is 414.
Okay.
We got over 4,000 square feet finished. It's got 5 bedrooms, but they're really big bedrooms.
Okay.
Okay. So how long is it to the gym from here?
It's about 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Okay. Wow. I could use this as an office.
Yeah.
What's this here?
This is a little pocket door that goes into the
Ah.
main
My
bath.
office would have my own bathroom. Nice.
Yes.
I'm not so sure about the island, though. It's another island with a stovetop on top of it.
Yeah.
I don't think that'll work with kids on the other side. Could you move this?
You got to move the gas line and so on, but it can be done
Okay.
at a cost. It's got a nice big laundry room, mud room.
With a door, which is a plus.
Still by the garage, but it's at least a little bigger and
You would have
closed off
to. You would have to
for me.
walk through the laundry to get into the house.
Off the kitchen there, you can see they got a nice screen porch, but it's all
Yeah.
nice cedar finish. No,
Oh yeah, check out the view.
yeah, this is the dinette
Yeah.
area. Nice sized table.
And it's connected to the great room.
I love how it goes up.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
I think I could sit here for quite a while, just hope for a deer or something pass. Pop the fire on. I could pretend I was in a lodge.
Nice big master suite in here.
Ah.
And it's on the main floor
And it's
without
on
the
the
other bedrooms. Good sized bathroom.
This tub is huge. I don't think we'd ever really use it.
There's a nice big finished family room area down here, and there's a bedroom.
Oh yeah, this is a big space.
It doesn't
Yeah, it's
feel
good.
dark and dingy with these huge open windows.
And then the bedroom is down on this end.
Okay.
All right. Wow. I would actually prefer this for my office. Down here in the dark.
That's
Right
true.
out here.
Quiet in the corner.
Yeah.
We got the bedrooms upstairs.
Pretty steep.
I'm not sure I want to see the kids jumping over the banister,
Yeah,
though.
it's a long way down.
On this level are 2 additional bathrooms and 3 bedrooms for the kids.
There are definitely a lot of things about the house that I like. I mean, it has the lot that we were looking for.
The neighborhood is beautiful.
I'm not too crazy about the stairs up here where the kids are going to be sleeping. And
I
the
like
shared
having
bathrooms.
the master downstairs, so on
That's
its own level.
definitely something that we
That's
wanted. So let's talk about the ranch-style home that we saw with the huge lot, priced at the great price, $409.
The ranch house, it was really far away.
Yeah, that's going to mean a lot of time in the car for you.
Kitchen was a little weird, a couple extra tables, and there was no, at least until we finished the basement, that little main area wasn't enough room for our family. But we need more house too. It can't just all be about the outside.
Yeah. Let's talk about the new construction in Rogers. $500,000, way expensive.
Yeah.
Way out of even our top ballpark price range.
Right.
But when I think about the house has enough bedrooms for what we're looking for.
It's completely finished.
It had that huge great room on the main level. But in terms of having the wooded area, we didn't see that.
No. So the house that we saw that was in the woods, but also in a community.
So that house was 414. The 3 bedrooms upstairs, that was kind of strange. Now, they were definitely away from the master.
Yeah, and we've talked about how we would like that.
I mean, the yard was great.
Yeah, and there were neighbors.
Which is okay for you. I would have preferred to be, you know, a little bit more.
I think neighbors are important.
So I think we've come to a decision point.
I think it'll be good for the kids. They'll have neighbors. We're closer to gymnastics.
Yeah, and that drive was something we wanted to consider.
Mm-hmm.
All right, great. Let's go find Bill, see if we can whittle down the price. You know, I thought this place was move-in ready.
I know.
And here I am hanging my own towel racks.
For $500,000, you should get towel racks.
We ended up paying $500,000 for this house.
We realized after looking at so many homes that we needed to spend a little bit more to get near the gym, to get the house we needed, to get the 6 bedrooms. Okay, you ready? Yep. I filled your water. Okay. Do you have everything? This is exactly the neighborhood feel I was looking for when we looked at homes.
It's great. There's just so many outdoor things to do.
So it's not as cold as we thought it was going to be?
Oh, it's nice out.
Yeah.
It's wonderful, guys. Wonderful day for a bike ride.